And check out this bike rack that we got as well. It's made by Outfitr. Holds up to 250 pounds, which is 3 e-bikes. Now I know this first one's not an e-bike because we only have 2 e-bikes, but this thing works out pretty good. Check this out. It holds it very nice and tight. Ratchet straps all the way around. These bikes are not going anywhere. We have a little ramp to roll it up and down, but let's get this off of here and get on for a bike ride. Check out this ramp. Now you don't have to use this, but it does make things nice and easy. So this Outfitr ramp right here, like I said, holds 250 pounds. Very easy to load and unload. It has all these adjustable straps right here. You can move these up and down to fit a particular bike. They move this way as well. And when you get everything unloaded, move this down, move this down, move this down, pull this right here, and this folds up tight so you're not taking up so much room. Look how compact that is. All right, once again, the Outfitr bike rack. We have it stored in the up position right here. Pull that down like that. Drop it down. Lock it into place. Now we're ready to load all the bikes. And it comes with the anti-rattle. It comes with the threaded insert. So this bolt threads in and out to pull this tight against here, and then this keeps it from bouncing up and down. So wonderful, wonderful, no sways. And it's able to actually fold up against your vehicle. But it connects right here, connects down here, and connects on the back here. Now, these are fully adjustable right here, depending on how long your bicycle is. You can scoot those back and forth. And then these will go back and forth like this. And then this will go up and down like this. So you have multiple ways to attach a bicycle to this. These move up and down like that for easy load and unloading. But once you have this on here, it is not going anywhere. Absolutely not. And I don't even have this the tightest way. Right there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. No movement whatsoever. This bike right here, the Hofsko, weighs about 50 pounds. No problem at all. We also had another bike on the back that weighed another 50 pounds. No issue at all. And then we actually had a non-electric bike right here, but you could put an electric bike on there, no issue. Capacity 250 pounds. I would not worry at all about putting my bicycles on the back. Nah. Like I said, it does have a ramp, but I think it's just as easy to lift it up. This one we took off to show how easy it was to adjust. And we're ready to go. Nice and solid. The fit and finish on this, it looks like it's nicely powder coated. Should be nice and durable. These are plastic. I don't know how well they'll do in the cold weather. Right now they seem very solid. No issues at all. And what I like is it just holds everything nice and tight. No rattling whatsoever. Good, solid piece of equipment. So if you're looking for a pretty good carrier to haul your bicycles, look at Outfitr. They seem to have a pretty good product. We'll let you know on the long term how it holds up, but I have no issue putting this behind my RV. Thanks again for watching. Dale, Moments of Adventure. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions at all, put them in comments. We'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching us. So if you're looking for a good bike rack to go behind your camper or behind your vehicle, check out Outfitr. It seems like a pretty darn good rack.